What's going on, you guys? So in today's video I will show you how you can add every card to Apple Wallet. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so for this one we are going to use an app called Pass4 Wallet. So you can go to your app store and search for Pass4, and from here we are going to download this application called Pass4 Wallet Store Cards. So you can download this app. This is actually a tool where you can use to organize and store your cards and also tickets and other stuff that you usually put into your wallet. So after that, you can open the app, and here we can see that we can actually store different cards. So we have store card, COVID passport, coupon, tickets, and personal stuff. Now say for example, if you want to store a ticket, you can just add a name for the ticket. So for example, we can name this one concert, and here you can scan a barcode from the ticket, or you can also input the tracking number of this ticket. Now after that, you can add all other information such as date and time, and also the place. Now once you're done filling up all the information, you can tap on add to wallet, and in here we can see that our concert ticket is actually added to the wallet. Now if you want to see your ticket in your Apple Wallet, so all you have to do is go back to your home screen, and from here open your wallet application. And right here below, you can see your concert ticket that you just added recently. Now, if you want to add a debit card or credit card, all you have to do is tap on the add button right here and just follow the prompt, and you should be good to go. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful, and I am going to see you on the next one.